YouTube. So today we are going to fix our Walkman. This one is a Walkman of 1984. It has a stereo cassette player, Walkman DD2, Sony, and the defect of this Walkman is that it is not playing anymore, making some tic-tac noise. So to fix our Walkman we will need these two batteries. Eventually, if they do not work, we have also a pair of new batteries. Then we have our favorite music from the 80s, which is really nice. I hope that we can listen to those songs. Then we have eventually this cable, line-in cable, which we can connect directly to our external speaker right here, so we can test if there is music. And we could also use, of course, our headphone or earphones. Right, so, and then I have my favorite dust cleaner. This I use for to clean the lens or any dust. A set of screwdrivers, which is really important. These are mini screwdrivers. Okay, and then we have here the tape, also paper tape, and we will eventually also use this universal polyester putty. Depends what the problem is with the mechanical part inside. Maybe we don't need it, but we never know. So, and also have two paper gloves you can put on the components. Right, so let's start to unbox the Walkman. Alright, so let's begin to unbox our Walkman. We have here a nice user's manual, original one. This Walkman is from 1984. Alright. Okay, so as you can see here we have our headphone. Let's remove that first. This one is not the original headphone, because I bought one with a 3-meter cable, which can be really handy if you need more space. Yeah, so this is the MDR210, so a very comfortable headphone, which is really nice. Okay, as you can see, let's put this aside. Then we have here a Walkman, which comes in the original leather bag, made in Japan. Let's open it up. And let's take this puppy outside the leather bag. Put this aside. Just bear with me 1 second. Okay, so here is the Walkman. It's got the stop, the play button, forward, rewind, battery indicator. We got here 3 volts DC input, open and close. To open, hit 2 headphone jacks, hit 2 headphone jacks, hit 2 headphone jacks, which is really nice. One for the headphone, one for another headphone, or for a line-in speaker. Volume knob, And we also have here Dolby on and off for the reduction of the noise. And we can choose metal, Chronicle 2 or normal tape. Metal Chronicle 2 were those times when the quality of the tape was much better. So we use Chronicle tapes. This one is a Chronicle 2 tape, type 2. Okay. So let's insert the battery. Let's see if we can get this puppy to work. Let's see what the defect is. If it doesn't work, let's see. Can we put first our batteries inside? Come with this nice emergency thing here. Okay, and now let's insert the tape. Right. Let's see what will happen. We attach it right here. There it goes. See if there is some noise. Nothing at all. Maybe the batteries are empty, probably. Put some new batteries in there. See what will happen. I can throw away. Okay, so let's see these two pair of batteries. What will happen? Oh, it goes on and then immediately after it goes off. Insert it part way, yes. Just like part 1 or 2. Okay. See if we can do forwards. No, it doesn't work. Just switches off all the time. Let's see if it makes the strange tack tack noise. And do this. No, it doesn't turn. Alright, so now that we know what the problem is, so when we press play this doesn't turn anymore, probably a mechanical defect inside, we're going to open it and have a look inside. Let's remove the battery. Let's remove the batteries. Okay. Alright, let's open it up. Let's open it up. Okay. I highly recommend to use this for the screws so it won't get lost. Alright, let's continue with this one here. Okay, and then we'll do these two screws right here and here. Right, should be able to remove this thing here. I think so. Just open it and then you can remove this thing now. Just like that. Okay. Remove this thing here. Right there. Right. And then right. Let's remove these two screws. Sure about this. Lift it up. Now here we have still two screws. No, they're already unscrewed. Wow. This thing out. Alright, once we have dismounted this part, we'll turn it like this. I'm going to unscrew the screw here. This one here. Right. The screw here. Remove it also. There you go. Here, number 5. What's hidden this one? Alright. Number 5. Now, remove it. Put this aside. If you turn it like this, you see here the spot which is broken right there. This broken. The plastic is broken, so we're going to screw here. This one there. Remove that. Let's put it. So now we will also remove this one here. Right. There we go. This thing. This thing here. Alright, can remove this thing to the side. This is the motor. So we'll remove. You can see the part which is defect beneath it. Right here. Okay, we'll remove this motor here, motor ring. Remove it. And this thing here has 3 screws underneath. We'll remove those 3 screws. Now we can remove this part here. Right. Let's put it aside like that. Let's leave it like this, and here we have our broken part. This plastic is missing here, and that's the cause of the problem. This is why the Walkman is not working here. This plastic part is missing. So the components a little bit protected. Protect them a little bit. Just like that. Yeah. The next thing we are going to do is to tape it right here underneath. We will protect this a little bit. Just like that. Going to do is to put the universal polyester putty glue onto this part here. So for that we use a carton. Right. So, well, we don't need the whole thing. Just the finishing retouch eventually. Let's open this thing up. There you go. Alright, so let's do it slowly. Alright, there we go. I think this is more than enough. Mix it up with this thing here. This is to make it harder. Okay, now let's make it harder then. Red and gray thing. Mix it up like this. Try to put it on there. Yeah. That's why it's difficult to do this. I need only a small amount of it. Let's see if we can put this thing back in here. tape. Yeah, where you get, see, form in there. Should piece of work, but it works. It goes like this. Turn around. Moving the unnecessary parts. Okay, so now we let it rest for 24 hours. So this part here must dry completely, and then we will see what that will give. Alright. Can optimize it with the toothpicker, and so that it becomes a round. The form over there must be all round. It's not an piece of art, but anyway, we'll try to let this dry for 24 hours, and then we will see what that will give. Turn this thing like this, see what will happen. Gets through it. And let's make it hard. We test the form now of the tooth. So let's make it dry for another few hours, and then let's see what happens. Okay, so after it has dried a little bit, few hours, then go ahead and turn around this rotation wheel. Careful. You will see that this white part has dried, so that's good. It has hardened, so it will continue to turn around, to turn. So that's a good sign. All right. Okay, once. You want to also clean a little bit the parts which are unwanted. Watch out not to touch the part which was damaged before. Alright, so after that we are going to reassemble the pieces. Let's start with this thing here. It goes right in there. Okay, just go ahead and let's reattach the screw right here. Just like that. And this one here. Not too tight, but as long as it gets. I'm afraid it's too tight, it cannot turn very well. Okay, like this. Alright. Then the next thing I want to do, I want to remove carefully the tape. This thing here. Alright. So just a protection tape. And now let's go ahead and let's put back this component here. Just the main board. Let's place with the screws. Should be at least 5 screws. Let's put this one here. Alright, then could go ahead and try to test the cassette. Will work. Yeah, why not? Could do that. And have to try to not force it too much, because otherwise it will not fit. Alright, so let's go ahead and let's test it out. Alright, now let's go ahead and after we put back on the front, we'll put back in this back cover. Let's see if it works. Alright, just checking. We'll have to put in there 2 screws, just like that. Right. So let's put on the 2 screws. Just this one here. The second one is this one here. Just go ahead and screw this one here. Oh yeah. So it does. It's already a good sign. Just put this on here. Let's turn this cassette the other side the way around. Alright, today you saw how we can repair the Sony Walkman DD2, and I hope that this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Stay well, peace out.